Namaste yogis. Today we are going to explain you what is Anulom Vilom Pranayama or alternative nostril breathing. Some yogis call it Nadi Shodhan Pranayama. But there is a difference between Nadi Shodhan Pranayama and Anulom Vilom Pranayama. The difference is only when we do Anulom Vilom Pranayama, we don't hold breath in. But when we do Nadi Shodhan Pranayama, we hold breath in. So this is the only difference between Nadi Shodhan Pranayama and Anulom Vilom Pranayama. So how we can do Anulom Vilom Pranayama or alternative nostril breathing? Sit in a comfortable position. In cross leg you can sit. This is the one of the comfortable position. So keep your spine straight, your shoulder relaxed. Fold your index finger and your middle finger into your palm. We call it Vishnu Mudra. Now close your right nostril by your right thumb and take deep and long inhalation through left nostril. Now close your left nostril by your ring finger and release your breath through right nostril. Repeat the same without any tension or effort or any sound. Feel your breath sensation. Feel how deep your breath going in, how smooth your breath coming out while you are using your diaphragm. Inhale through left nostril again. And release through right nostril, slowly and gently. As a health benefits, it improves the function of respiratory system. It reduces migraine, blockage in the arteries of the heart, and chronic sinus problem. Whole body is nourished by the extra supply of oxygen. The brain centers are stimulated to work to their optimum capacity. Anulom Vilom Pranayama gives us tranquility, clarity of thoughts, and improve the concentration power. It lowers the stress level and anxiety and help balance our blood pressure. The one of the best benefits Anulom Vilom Pranayama gives us is it increases the vitality. Thank you.